Hello everyone, let me introduce the CNC slide by Lathe machine TCK56A. The casting body is made of HT300. The sheeting metal style can be customized. The CNC system of this machine uses the KND brand, and there are also fat-neck 7th mid-spilled DSK to choose from. The standard configuration of TCK56A is an 8-station hydraulic turret, hydraulic tailstock, and 8-inch hydraulic chuck. This machine adds an optional 12-station power through turret, Y-axis, programmable tailstock, high-precision pull-down arm. This machine is equipped with WOJIE electrical applications, as well as a complete set of KND motors, lubricating oil pump, and hydraulic station. This machine can perform complex processing procedures such as maintaining, drilling, and taping. Functions such as automatic feeding and parts catcher can be selected.